A short video of me going through John's instructions for forking. Here's the tutorial page for the second tutorial. And here he has this link. I'm going to click on that link. It takes me immediately to this page. You can see it makes me the owner. It's got the name, it says it's available, and that's all good. So I'm going to create fork. And now it is creating a copy of this in my GitHub. So it's like, copying it over. And there we go. So you can see now, you look at the URL, it says me, and now I have that Quarto project example. So now I have a copy of this repository. John showed how you can get the URL here. I usually grab it just from the browser. So I'm going to copy that. And next, he said, you go to RStudio. I'm using RStudio in the Jupyter Hub. You can use it on your local computer. It's exactly the same as long as you have Git set up. So you're going to go File, New Project, Version Control, Git, because I'm using GitHub. I'm going to paste in the URL. There we go. I can leave that blank. It's just going to use that name. And tilde means in your home directory. That's fine. If you're on your local computer, you'll probably put it in desktop or documents. Create. It's pulling all the files down and there we go. So now you see I've got that project. It has this here. This is the project file. Just gives some information about the project. And now whenever I open RStudio, I'm going to be able to go here and click on that. If I don't see that in the project list, maybe I clicked clear project list, I can go to open project and navigate to the folder with that name.